All over the world, mass timber construction is on the rise. It is transforming the construction and manufacturing industries and is enabling a whole new generation of high-performance buildings. Mass timber uses state-of-the-art technology to glue, nail, or dowel lumber together in layers. The results are large structural panels, posts, and beams. These exceptionally strong and versatile products are known as mass timber. Builders and architects are increasingly considering mass timber as a compelling alternative to traditional building materials. It can have a lower carbon footprint than concrete, it can be lighter and stronger than steel, and surprisingly, it can be just as fireproof. Because it can be as strong and safe as other major building materials, and it is the only major building material that grows naturally, global demand for mass timber products is surging. As the demand for next-generation wood products like mass timber advances, BC's vast growing forests are ready to answer the call. Thanks to our world-class forest management and expertise, we are ensuring a steady supply of renewable, responsibly sourced timber. Mass timber technologies are a critical next chapter in our forest story. It's an opportunity to contribute to a cleaner, greener built environment at home and in markets around the world. Building with mass timber is an innovative way to get greater value from our forests. It's a chance to evolve BC's forest sector and create a range of quality job opportunities, all the way from planning for the long-term health of forests, to sustainably harvesting and replanting so our province will have forests forever, to manufacturing the products here at home, to transforming construction through technology, to being a world leader in low-impact building solutions. The mass timber building movement has arrived. It represents an exciting opportunity to bridge forests and technology in a whole new way. And with some of the most healthy and abundant natural forests in the world, BC is ready to lead.